up to 30% brightness in just 30 days with this 5-in-1 power-packed serum from NYKAA Skin RX Vitamin C range. And this promise is coming because of the fabulous ingredients. 10% ethyl ascorbic acid, which not only brightens your skin, evens out sun damage, but also reduces fine lines and wrinkles. And this ingredient spar is doubled with niacinamide, which not only brightens your skin and makes your skin healthier, but also reduces UV-induced pigmentation. It also helps even out the skin tone and reduces dark spots. I'm on day 28 of the NYKAA Skin RX 10% Vitamin C with 5% niacinamide, and I have to say I absolutely love the product. At 0.25%, the ferulic acid not only supports vitamin C but also helps in hydrating and fading. It also has hyaluronic acid, which means massive hydration, and that is why your skin looks plumper and beautiful and brighter. The cica extract is not only antibacterial and anti-inflammatory, but it also helps calm your skin and reduces the sign of redness. And it also strengthens the skin barrier. No wonder cica has been used in traditional Asian medicine for so long. I really love it when these ancient ingredients start showing up in modern skincare. I can see the smoothness, the brightness, and for me, since I'm always on an anti-pigmentation routine because of my melasma, when I use a new vitamin C, the changes I'm looking for is that my melasma doesn't come back, and also the fact that the brightness and the suppleness continues on my skin. So I don't see a dramatic shift, but I know that as long as my skin remains from where it started, I know the vitamin C is performing on my skin. What I can tell you is that the serum goes in very beautifully in your current skincare routine also. So if you're on an anti-pigmentation skincare routine, you can use it because this particular serum does not pill, does not really react on your skin, and actually goes in very, very smoothly because 10% vitamin C is a fairly strong vitamin C. What you can expect is brightness, plumpness, radiance on your skin, fading away of dark spots, fading away of pigmentation. The first signs of melasma that I've seen on my skin is I'll start seeing a little bit of shadow over here, and then if I'm careless, it gets intense. And if you've been a part of the channel, you've seen many videos that I keep posting on it, right? The NYKAA Skin RX Vitamin C combined with niacinamide not only gave me the fading, but also gave me the UV protection and also the brightness and the plumpness. It's really gentle brightness and glow to your skin. You know, the kind of little small signs which make you believe your skin is doing well and it's healthy. You can feel the tingling when you put it, especially since I have dry skin. For me, vitamin C tends to be a little tingly when I put it, and I know that it's working and working beautifully. The tingling, of course, settles down almost instantly. You require about 3 to 4 drops to glide in very beautifully and smoothly on your skin and face. Generally, how I divide is about 2 drops for my face and 2 drops for my neck and the chest area. Don't forget the chest area. Otherwise, there's going to be a difference in your skin, not only in aging, but also brightness between your neck and the face. So make sure you go in this entire area as well. 10% ethyl ascorbic acid can be powerful for some skin types, so make sure you do a patch test before you start using it all over your skin. This is dermatologically tested, but it's better to be safe than sorry because this is a powerful serum. What I did was I just followed the whole routine. I combined this with a night cream and a day cream, and I have to say the results were fabulous. The whole Illuminate range actually has a day cream and a night cream for oily skin and normal to dry skin. I have dry skin and I absolutely loved using their night cream as well as day cream. Very nice, generous formulation in terms of it gives you the moisture and the hydration. जो सिर्फ dry skin वाले पहचानते हैं दोनों में difference क्या है, because you need both of them. It's really nice. And this is the night cream, very nicely done. This is my first time using the NYKAA Skin RX Vitamin C range, and I have to say I'm totally blown by the results. Initially, I was a little skeptical because I wasn't sure how it's going to be, but I've been very surprised. And once I started using it, I went ahead and saw the ingredients and I found them very scientifically created products. You know, every ingredient inside this product is there for a purpose and it delivers on that purpose. I'm sure you guys have used the NYKAA products. Most of you have used more skincare products than I get to test. You can get these products on their website, on their app, and even their stores. So let me know what your experience has been. For more on this and vitamin C and the whole range, I'm going to meet you in the comment section.